So all the opulences for creating a nice flower, that is being manufactured by Krishna. With his brain, the seed of the flower is a chemical composition, so nicely made. Svabhavikijnana, he knows, naturally he knows how to make this seed perfect, so that from the seed, by sowing in the soil, by watering, the whole varieties will come. Is there any scientist to put in a small seed, all the chemicals, and it will come automatically, a motorcar? No, that is not possible. That is not possible. You have to create every car. And Krishna's energy is so perfect that she has created one male body and one female body. And innumerable cars are coming. This is car described in the Bhagavad-gita, this body, Yantra, Yantrarudhanimayaya. This is Yantra. But this Yantra is coming by union of two Yantras, one male Yantra and female Yantra. And millions of Yantras are coming. Where is that capacity? So one gentleman, child man, in atheistic class, he said, what is Krishna's intelligence? It is just like a watch. If you wind the watch, it goes and keeps time. Similarly, it is just like a machine. The whole world is going on. And that's all right. Still, you are lacking knowledge, because Krishna hasn't got to prepare each and every watch. He has made two watches, male and female, and they are produced. That is Krishna's intelligence.